Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of sacrificing comfort for productivity while working on your laptop? Look no further than the Mount It adjustable laptop stand and lap desk, a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with overheating laptops or cramped working spaces. With its sleek design and high capacity, this lap desk is a must-have for remote workers, students, and anyone who spends hours on their laptop. One of the standout features of this product is the LED lights, which provide a soft glow that's easy on the eyes, even in low-light environments, and the sturdy metal construction gives it a solid feel that inspires confidence. This product is also extremely popular, with many customers swearing by its reliability and versatility, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can trust that your investment is protected. The adjustable stand allows you to customize the height and angle of your laptop to fit your needs, and the smooth gliding mechanism makes it easy to switch between different positions, giving you a sense of freedom and flexibility. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, a co-working space, or your own home, this lap desk is the perfect companion, providing a comfortable and ergonomic working experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and focused, and with its high capacity, you can fit all your essentials, from your laptop to your water bottle, within easy reach. Overall, the Mount It adjustable laptop stand and lap desk is a top-notch product that's sure to take your productivity to the next level, so why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.